Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got an ML Triton dual cab, 4-wheel drive, 4M41, 3.2 turbo diesel, GLX-R. Taking a bit of a tumble, as you can see there. Got a few good pickings on it though. I'll just do a quick walk around and pop the motor. It's got the hard lid on the back there. Got a compliance plate down here somewhere. Bit of rubbish laid about. There's one there. There we go. I hope you can read that there. I'll pop the bonnet and we'll start it up. We'll work that out. There we go. There's our 4M41 3.2 turbo diesel. See that? I'll start it up for you. Where are we? 187,080 kilometres. So there it is, one ML Triton being dismantled at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Need any Triton parts or any other parts that matter, give the guys a call at Parts Plus on that number up on the wall there, 02 4646 1733, and I'll be only too glad to help you out. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.